Hello, everybody. It's your boy, the Logical Dude, and we're back with another episode of CoinLogic TV. Today is Wednesday, March 17th of the year 2021, and it is Weed Market Wednesday. So, today, real quick, before we get into all the good cannabis market stuff, let's talk real quick about the overall crypto markets. We're having a really nice bounce today. Bitcoin back up to over $59,000, Ethereum back up over 18. Binance Coin made a bounce back from 250 back up to over 270. So we're real happy to see that, especially because it is backing the new Cub DeFi from the Leo Finance team, which we are invested in. And yeah, that was about the price that we bought into Binance Coin. So I'm glad to see it back up to at least my break-even point. So yeah, we've got Cardano at $1.38, Polkadot at 36.73, Litecoin at 205, Chainlink at back over $30, Cosmos at 20. Our newest investment in the CoinLogic index is VeChain. And then you can see the one that is missing is Tezos. We decided to go ahead and liquidate the Tezos holdings, put it half of it into VeChain and the other half into Cardano, and I feel like that was the best move. I just had too many different platform coins, and I don't feel like Tezos is going to be the winner on that. So it was time to move on. Basic attention token. Look at that, man. $1.24 basic attention token is absolutely killing it. I love this project. The Brave browser I'm currently using right now. If you're not using Brave, you should be. It's one of the best experiences I've had in a browser. So we also have the Nexo token, which is my centralized platform of choice for my crypto, I guess, banking, you would say. It's actually where I do my, I put my crypto in Nexo, in my Nexo account. It starts earning me interest, and then I can also loan against my crypto as well. So it's not DeFi, it's centralized finance, but they are insured by BitGo up over, I think, $400 million at this point. They're looking to be insured over $1 billion by the end of the year. Really awesome project. But yeah, I've got a nice chunk in Nexo working for me as an interest-bearing collateralized line. So there you go. Got Pax Gold. Gold's been struggling. It's sitting at 1750 for a while. It struggles to try to get back over 1800 at all. But then you got Hive. Hive has been sitting steady around the 36-cent mark for a couple of days now. We've, went up all the way to over 40 cents for a while, came back, but we've been sitting steady in the 30-cent range, 35 to 36-cent range for a while. So really happy to see Hive finding some good stability at, a decent price point there. So always looking for it to go higher, but, we want to get more people in, so we don't want those resource credits getting too expensive right now. So, of course, you got the Moon Boys that wants it all to go up, tomorrow kind of thing. But I'm happy still being able to buy Hive pretty cheap, and this is, in my opinion, still cheap for Hive. So yeah, I added a couple of things here. This is my community, the Hive Hustlers. It's a community for entrepreneurs. So you can find all of our posts on this community as well as Leo Finance. These always open on Leo Finance, like you saw in the last video and how this operates. So you can click here and come and see our full profile on Leo Finance. And as you can see, sorry to scroll you up and down, but just a real quick look at our technical analysis for Bitcoin from TradingView here. We are sitting at a really strong buy right now, according to all the indicators. I mean, it's pretty crazy. Bitcoin, just, it's no question about it. Just buy Bitcoin and just hold it, and you will be okay. If not tomorrow, if not next week, give it a few years. Just sit and be patient. That's the one thing that the crypto market has had to teach me is patience. And most of you have none of that. Just saying it. I love all you guys, but having a conversation with another community leader earlier today, and so most people in crypto have, he said, most people in crypto have the attention span of a goldfish. And I said, no, it's more like a gnat because a goldfish will at least follow your finger for a while. So, yeah, guys, you just gotta be patient, man. Buy that stuff, sit on it. All these tokens are going to go up eventually because we're in the future. We're in the beginning stages of stuff. So, Just think about that. Just remember, we're in those early stages. We're still in like 1994 trying to tell your parents how to use email kind of thing. Or heck, some of you may still be in that position now in 2021. I know in a lot of cases I am. But, we try. Anyway, getting into the newest use case, before we get into the weed market, we're going to talk about a new use case for the weed token, and that is the BroFi platform. So if you don't know about the BroCoin, there's a community on Hive called the Man Cave. They have their BroCoin. It is an investment community. They buy into a lot of the different community projects, and then the BroCoin pays out its holders in basically dividends of the other tokens. So it pays out a portion of their holdings every day. So it's a fun community to be involved in. But yeah, definitely go check out their new BroFi. What it is a way to be able to delegate Hive Engine tokens. One of those being the weed token. So you can stake and delegate your weed tokens to the BroFi account and earn the BroCoin. I started my journey with that yesterday, already made my first earnings, and it's legit. And the more bro you collect and just keep it there and just hold it, don't sell it. Don't sell what you get, because the more bro you get, the more weed you'll eventually get, as well as other tokens that they're invested in. So it's a great way to build up your bro holdings without having to go and buy it off the market. I have delegated Hive, Weed, CTP, Leo, and I will probably delegate some Lotus as well once I get that built up enough, once I get my stake in Lotus built up enough. So go check out BroFi. It is, like I said, the newest use case for the weed token. So also, don't forget, go and check out the Weed Chat. So this is our new platform. If you go to weedcash.org, it's a great way to be able to bring new people into the community. So even if you're not a part of the blockchain now, this is a great way for you to be able to come and interact with the community off chain. So this is more of like a Twitter or Facebook style kind of setup here. People can come in and just post. You can post links. You can come in and just talk. We have little comment sections to where you can comment on things, just like a regular social media network. You can come and log in and register with Discord, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and WordPress. Just real quick, easy, one-click registration and login. So most everybody already has an account like this set up. You don't have to have a Hive account to be involved with the Weed Chat. You can also go to the Weed Cash store and go and check out some of our accessories and products that we have there. We have some CBD and hemp products. We have smoking accessories. We have branded products, and then because Canna Curate, who's one of our community leaders, has also bred the official Weed Cash strain, the Big Mac. So the Big Mac seeds are available for testing. So if you are a grower and you want to come and get involved with us, come join and come talk to John, and we'll get you all set up and get you in the 5-bucket challenge, because we got the Canna Curate 5-bucket challenge going on, or 5-gallon challenge. It's growing it in a 5-gallon bucket kind of thing. So we encourage cannabis growth. Pun totally intended. So hopefully our goal is to expand the Weed Cash store into basically a full-out community-ran seed bank. I want to be able to get it set up to where people can come and set up their own vendor stores on the Weed Cash store and sell their own either Weed Cash products, smoking accessories, or like I said, I want to get a seed bank going. So if you want to start breeding seeds and you want to get them put out there to be able to earn some crypto, Bitcoin, whatever people are going to pay in, then yeah, absolutely. Hit us up, and I would love to talk to you. If you're a breeder and you got some seeds that you want to try to sell, then we'd love to talk to you. Come join us. So let's talk about the markets real quick. So this is the weed market on EOS. There's not much volume at all really going here. I just wanted to show you this to know that if you are an EOS holder, you can buy weed tokens on EOS through Nudex. But where most of the action's happening is over here on the Hive Engine system. So over here on the Hive blockchain, the Hive Engine second layer, we can come and buy weed tokens here on TribalDex. TribalDex is the newest Hive Engine exchange. You can also buy it on leodex.io as well. That's from the Leo Finance team. It's all the same data, so it doesn't matter which exchange you're on. You're playing with the same wallets, you're playing with the same data. That's the beautiful part about Hive, is you can have so many different front ends all through one login kind of thing. So taking a look at the weed market, so you can see it's been a bit of a rough patch lately, trying to get and stay above the tenth of a hive area here as far as price wise. So you can see the latest asking price is 0.115490 Hive, and then the latest bid is 0.095 Hive. So, in my personal opinion, this is a really cheap time to come and get weed because we got a lot of stuff going on. We got a lot of stuff happening in the background. We just need to get some new blood in the community. So that's my, call to the weed community is just go to the weed chat, go and sign in, create your account with a one-click login, and then you will actually have a referral code. So once you get logged in, you will actually have a referral code that you can refer people to. And we're holding a referral contest right now. So the people that bring in the most new community members to the weed chat area, because we can track this. The people that bring in the most new community members in the month of March is going to be receiving a 5,000 weed delegation, and that will help you get started with your stake so that you can come in and have a nice hefty weed vote on the weed cash posts, as well as be able to earn through staking more weed tokens and be able to build your own stake on top of that. So you will have those 5,000 weed tokens for a month, and then I take them back, and you will also get a gift out of the grab bag. So you'll if you win the contest, I will ask for your home address and I will send you something cool. A weed cash lighter or some kind of weed cash little merchandise product out of our grab box. So that's what we're doing for weed cash for the month of March. Well, let's get over here and talk about the actual cannabis stock market. Last Wednesday, we were doing some TA. We saw these falling wedges. So if you want to go back and look at that video, look at the TA that led me into the move that I made, basically. So the next day, Thursday afternoon, after market closed, I went ahead and set some buy orders for the next morning, and they ended up filling actually lower than what I set them at, which was really quite lovely. I got into the MJ ETF here. I bought a call option. So if you don't know what an option is, a call option is basically a contract to where you are controlling 100 shares of stock, and you have the option to buy that stock at what's called the strike price at the end of the contract. Okay, so a call option is basically where you're betting on it going up, and a put option is where you're betting on it going down. So essentially the same as short selling. It's the stock's way of going long and going short, essentially. So what I did is I put in a call option on MJ at $24. Okay, so that means that, and the option expires on the 26th of March. So what that means is that the MJ price has to be above $24 by the end of the contract for me to make money. If it is below $24 by the end of the contract, I don't just lose, a percentage, I lose the whole thing. So I bought this contract at it's $1.28 per share, basically, is what you're paying. So you times that by 100, I paid $128 for the contract. So that's the premium that you pay for the contract. That's basically the contract price. Okay, so that's the price that's going to go up. Well, Friday and then Monday were great days. Friday was awesome because it jumped up, and by the end of the day Friday, because I put in 500 to start with, into Robinhood because I didn't feel like opening another account. So yeah, I just went back into Robinhood, guys. Sorry. Anyway, by Friday, I was already up over 8% in the account. Monday, I jumped up over $600, up over 20% in the account. It was beautiful. The call option was running great. And then these two, I actually bought shares as kind of like a hedge because if I lose this bet, I actually lose the whole $120 that I put in. So therefore, the YOLO and the MSOS, which are the next two largest ETFs in the cannabis world, I just bought in shares on those. So if something does happen and they drop, I can wait on these shares to go back up before I sell them again. Plus, I'm also collecting dividends if I hold these. So if I decide to hold these for a while, then I'll earn dividends on them. But I'm not necessarily worried about that. Dividends are pennies every quarter. I make way more letting my crypto sit and earn than dividends. Dividends are kind of useless in stocks these days unless you've got a whole bunch of money to put in and let it just run for you. But then still, you can do way better in crypto than you can in the traditional markets. I just like trading the cannabis stocks because it's just, hey, it's an industry that I love being a part of. So this is my way of being a part of it, is being in the weed cash community and trading cannabis stocks. Because you guys know, I'm a nomad van lifer. I don't have anywhere I can grow. So I would love to grow if I could, but yeah, that's not happening anytime soon. So I will live vicariously through the rest of you guys' posts and like and comment on all of your beautiful grows and let you earn some weed tokens from my curation. So anyway, that's basically what's went on. Yeah, Monday was great. Tuesday, though, let's get back to this. Tuesday was an absolute crap show, man. My entire day, like just personal life, like it started at midnight Monday night and just kind of went throughout the whole day. It was if it could go wrong, it did go wrong yesterday, including my trades. So even the crypto market was bloody yesterday. So I was glad to see everything kind of taking a bounce. Way I'm just saying it, it's like Leonard Skinner said it best. Tuesday's gone with the wind because look what happened today. We're back up today. So total, I'm up over 5.16% at the moment on this trade. We'll continue to track this because the MJ trade doesn't end until the 26th. I'm actually probably going to be looking to sell the contract the day before on the 25th. We may actually do it on 2 days before on that Wednesday. We'll just see where the price is at and if it continues to look like it's going to go up. But we may actually sell the contract on Weed Market Wednesday next week. So we'll just kind of see where that's going. If these stocks are continuing to go, I may hold on to those plays for a while, but we're definitely going to be ending the contract next week. So that's the state of the weed markets. Things have taken a little bit. Yesterday was crappy. Things have taken a bounce. We're going back up. It's all good. Don't forget about BroFi. Go check out BroFi. If you have weed tokens staked in your Hive Engine wallet, and all you're using it for is curation, here's another way that you can earn from it, and you can earn bro tokens. And then again, if you hold bro tokens, you're going to earn more tokens down every day as well. Not just weed, but a whole lot of other tokens as well. So keep stacking your bro, keep stacking your weed, and let's make millions together, guys. And don't forget about Weed Cash. Don't forget about the referral contest that we've got going on. 5,000 weed stake and a goodie out of the grab bag. And then we also have the Can Curate 5-gallon challenge. So come and check all that out, guys. We got a lot going on Weed Cash, and we want you to be involved. So as always, as we say on CoinLogic TV, don't get wrecked. And from me, the logical dude, always be cool, be real, and abide. Have a great day, guys. Smoke it up. Peace.